Welcome to part 2 of the Google Ads editor tips, in which I continue the countdown of my most favorite features of the Google Ads editor. As one of Google Ads' most loved apps for bulk editing and making your workflow lightning fast, Google Ads editor has undergone some serious revamp. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. In this video, I continue the countdown of my 10 favorite things about the new Google Ads editor. Number 5. Complete cross-account management. From one single window, you can now access all your accounts and make changes to them at the same time. The Google Ads editor allows this even if the accounts are held in different MCCs. This is a really important time-saving addition for everyone. Number 4. Recommended daily budgets. For many accounts, the average daily budget will be an important metric. A properly allocated budget helps you to make sure that you are not losing out on impressions. By adding in a recommended budget column, this will help you to set up your campaign. Number 3. Warnings about ads. When you upload a set of ads, Google Ads editor will warn you about any ads that aren't utilizing all of the headlines and description boxes. Number 2. Edit panel's location. Whilst only a minor change, the edit panel has been relocated from the bottom of the screen to the right hand side. This makes it easier to make changes while still reviewing information on the left. Number 1. New look. The new look of the Google Ads editor tool is fantastic. I love it, especially the dark mode. It is sleek and makes reading and reviewing information much easier and intuitive. I hope you enjoyed this video about Google Ads editor. If you haven't yet started using it, why not download it for free? The link is somewhere around this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.